Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing immediate causes of glare. Wipe the lens and turn off the flash so you don't create extra reflections. Once done, enable the grid and frame in 4:3 or 16:9 to keep horizons straight. This helps you judge angles. Move your light source so it's behind or off to the side of your subject, and change the phone angle a few degrees. Small shifts often eliminate reflections without extra gear. Now you take control of what the sensor records. Tap and hold to lock AE/AF, then drag exposure down about 1/2 to 1.5 stops to preserve highlight detail. If you have a polarizer, clip-on, or film, attach and rotate it until the glare diminishes. That's optical, not software. Otherwise, open a manual camera app and lower ISO, lengthen shutter speed with a tripod, and set white balance to avoid color casts while you refine composition and movement. Finish by reviewing the footage at full resolution to confirm highlights aren't blown and shadows keep detail. This tells you whether to reshoot. In editing, reduce highlights, add local contrast, and use selective healing for small reflections. RAW or HEIF gives more latitude. If glare persists, reposition the light, slide a flag to block hotspot, or attach a polarizer and reshoot. If none work, change your angle more dramatically, moving a few inches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.